Okay, so we did everything we need to do as far as put this all back together. Getting ready to start the car now. In the last video I made before this video, I started the car, started up fine, but we're gonna look at it again. But as soon as I started up, a few seconds later, you can never predict this, the serpentine belt went. So luckily I had the receipt for that. I keep all receipts for all this stuff in case it goes bad, because you don't want to go spend the money again, right? So found the receipt and went and just replaced, traded in for a new serpentine belt, slapped that on real quick. Now I'm going to run around. We're going to start the car. Christian's going to keep the camera on these fuel injectors. You want to see some nice even spray here, and then we're looking for any fuel leaks around here. I want Christian to follow me around here to the back. You're going to see right back here, I think I pointed out on the last video that because I'm a rookie, when I start to loosen these bolts that hold this together, the fuel lines that go in here from underneath the car, these two fuel lines go back. One goes to the gas tank and the other one goes to the fuel filter. Well, the one that goes to the fuel filter, I just cranked that sucker right off into nothingness. So I had to go and cut a fuel line and splice it in with a coupling. So this we're going to check that for leaks as well and see if I did a good job. So all this is nice, clean, and ready to go. Let's see how she starts up. Chris is going to watch and see, and he's going to be very careful not to get near any of these turning parts. Never get yourself close to these turning parts, because yeah, that could be ugly. All right, so here we go. And there you go. Hopefully you can hear me. Nice spray pattern here. We're not losing anything. If I could get some light on that, I'd be able to show you even different, but I can't right now. So we'll see, that's a nice even spray down there. Alright, so that said, I would say this is all successful. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope it's helpful to you. Again, this is a 1994 GMC Suburban K1500 four-wheel drive. We just rebuilt the throttle body, put in used fuel injectors from the junkyard, and we used parts from the junkyard, okay, to rebuild this car. And it's looking great. It's going great. So give it a shot. If you like this video, hit like, and we'll see you again. Peace out.